So select WordSwag, which is an app. I just use free photos. I just use the black for Dave. Go next, then double tap, delete that, put in the copy of your video. So this one is pressure clean the entrance. Just done. I just use the same title every time, or what do you call it, font. So I just find it. I use this one here. It's called The Public. And then you can use the little dice in the corner to get it better. And I'll just find the right one that I want. And you just got to kind of center it a little bit because you want it to show up in your Instagram TV. So you'll see what I mean in a second. So I'll just go save. That'll save to my phone. And now I'll just go across to Instagram TV. I've already got this connected to his account because I did one earlier. So if you use the three little dots, that'll give you, this has changed a little bit, so bear with me. So you can view the profile. So this is Coast to Country Pressure Cleaning. So you can see here, these are his Instagram TVs already. I just go back, settings, any accounts, I can switch accounts in here. Just go back. And now to upload a new account, I go, or a new video, I click on the plus sign up in the top left-hand corner. And I've already saved this video to my camera roll. So that's it there, the 1 minute 10. Go next. Go next. Oops, one back. They've changed a little bit. So down the bottom here, add from camera roll, where that plus sign is, I want to add the thumbnail. So I just collect the thumbnail and go next. And now the title is, for him, is going to be, you can't add hashtags in here. So this is purely for just some copy. So for this particular guy, it's pressure cleaning the entrance plaza. Oops, plaza. So also great job done. So I'm just going to put that, oops, entrance plaza. Oh, P. Okay, so you don't put any hashtags in here because they actually don't show up. So let me just come back down. I keep all his hashtags here. Copy. I keep them in OneNote because it's easier. So, and then I'll just go back. Instagram TV. I will try this because a few things have changed in Instagram TV in the last couple of days. So the format. So maybe this may work. This morning it didn't work, but it has changed since I've uploaded again today. Things change all the time. So now you just basically go post. Normally when hashtags are added as a description in here, they do nothing and they seem to don't show up. But let's just see if it worked. the way that we can see that it worked, well, there it is, but now what you do is you get out and come back to Instagram app itself down there. And if I go to his account, so there you go, you can see it there, hasn't loaded yet. Just refresh it. It's refreshing. There it is there, pressure cleaning the entrance. So if I click on that now, no. So see how you can see that there's no hashtags there? So what you have to do is you add them in the Instagram app itself. So you can see even the description didn't show up. So I just come back in here and I add them into the first comment and just go post, okay? So that's how we add a video on Instagram TV. The reason why we want to have a thumbnail is because see how you can see it there and you can see it all his. I try and keep them all the same. And I do that the same with my own branding too. And if I was to come across to his feed, I know I'm showing you Dave's feed, but if I come to mine, maybe I won't show you his feed, but you will see mine there. I do actually just use the same font for his and mine. It's just easier to keep it all the same. So actually, if I go to my feed, I should actually see Dave's video in my feed. Here it is there. That's the one I did this morning for him. But you don't see the thumbnail in feed. But if I was to click back to his account, which somebody may do, you can see it there and you can see how it works, okay? And then I could click on it and it starts, okay? So that's how we add a video to Instagram TV.